Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, again, this morning it's cold here in Chicago. Temperatures around zero or maybe even below zero with the wind chill even colder. I think the first part of what that kind of means is, number one, you've got U.S. Domestic rail cars for moving grain at all-time record high prices. There's also the demand for that power on the energy side. It also would suggest that we might see some more issues as far as logistics along the Illinois River. That could move up some of the cash export basis levels because of trying to get grain there to load the boat, especially on the bean side. The other issue weather-wise is South America. Southern Brazil, northern Argentina might turn warm. Maybe even the word hot might be used in parts of southern Brazil, and dry over the next 2 weeks. Crops in very good condition. They should handle this kind of weather, especially in Argentina. Southern Brazil soils are a little less than other soils, and so they might show a little bit of stress by the end of this 2-week time frame. So it'll be key at the end of that 2 weeks whether this goes back to a normal pattern or if this is a pattern to change to a drier pattern. We get export sales today, numbers probably near last week's numbers. They were a little bit lower last week because of the holiday, but we're looking at about 300,000 tons of wheat, maybe 600,000 tons of corn, and maybe 800,000 to 900,000 tons of soybeans. On the corn side, you are getting more interest in the corn, especially after 2014. Not a lot of export capacity right now until we get all the beans loaded for China. Big question in the bean market is, will we going to ship all the beans that are on the books of China? Will they buy more, or will they shift to South America in February when that crop is ready for export? Outside markets, very uneasy right now. Goldman downgraded the Chinese stock prices. European data was a little negative. And next week we're looking at the FOMC meeting and see if they're going to talk a little bit about tapering, which is offering some resistance to our stock market. So weather, demand, global economy, all issues that traders are trying to trade at a time when volume is coming down, because it looks like 2014 is going to be a big supply year and lower prices. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe, warm, and profitable trading day.